Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise today to honor one of my constituents, John David Crow of College Station, Texas, who passed away on June 17th. To say that John David Crow is a Texas football legend is an understatement. He was a Heisman Trophy winner, a four-time NFL Pro Bowl selection, a college football coach, and an administrator for the Texas A&M University Athletic Department. John David was born on July 8, 1935 in Marion, Louisiana. When he was born, the umbilical cord was wrapped around his neck, causing nerve damage and permanently paralyzing the left half of his face. John David, however, never let that hardship hold him back. As a junior at Spring Hill High School, he led the football team to win the Class 1A state championship in 1952. As a senior, he led the basketball team to win the Class 1A state championship in 1954. After graduating from high school, John David married his high school sweetheart, Karen Gillum, on July 2, 1954. Earlier that year, John David had committed to play football at Texas A&M University for legendary coach Paul Bear Bryant. So in the fall of 1954, John David and Carolyn moved to College Station. During his time at Texas A&M, John David would play running back, defensive positions, and special teams as a kick returner. He truly was the complete collegiate football package. In 1956, he led the Aggies to their first ever road victory against arch rival, the University of Texas, at Memorial Stadium in Austin. He also led the Aggies to a #1 ranking during the 1957 season. Some of the accolades that John David received as an Aggie included being named twice Southwest All-Conference Team in 1956 and 1957. He also received all of the following recognitions in 1957. A Consensus All-American, the Walter Camp Memorial Trophy, the Southwesterner of the Year and Amateur Athlete of the Year, the Chick Harley Award, the United Press Player of the Year, the United Press Back of the Year, and the Heisman Trophy. John David was Texas A&M University's first Heisman Trophy winner and the only Heisman Trophy winner to ever be coached by the legendary Paul Bear Bryant. When Bear Bryant retired from coaching, he was quoted as saying, "John David Crow was the finest player I ever coached. Watching film on him was like watching a grown man play with boys." John David would graduate from Texas A&M with a degree in business administration and was named to the Scholastic All-American team. He was also recognized as a who's who in American colleges and universities. John David would go on to play in the NFL after being drafted in the first round to play for the then Chicago Cardinals. His NFL career would span 11 years playing for the Cardinals in Chicago and St. Louis and playing for the San Francisco 49ers. He was named to the Pro Bowl 4 times and named to the NFL's 1960 All-Decade Team. After retiring from the NFL, John David began his football coaching career, starting as an assistant for his former coach, Bear Bryant, at Alabama. He continued his career as an assistant coach in the NFL for the Cleveland Browns and the San Diego Chargers. In 1976, he was named athletic director and head football coach of Northwest Louisiana University. In 1981, John David would leave Northwest Louisiana to work for a private business for a couple of years. In 1983, he returned to his alma mater, Texas A&M University, first as associate athletic director, later as athletic director, and finally as director of athletic development. During this time, he was at the forefront of collegiate athletic gender equity as he helped expand women's athletics at Texas A&M to the powerhouse that it is today. In 2001, John David would retire from A&M, but he still maintained a presence on campus and in the Bryan College Station community. John David Crow was a great athlete, coach, and athletic administrator. He was inducted into the Texas A&M University Hall of Fame in 1968 and the Louisiana Hall of Fame in 1976. He was named to the National Football Foundation Hall of Fame in 1976 and the Texas Sports Hall of Fame in 1982. He was named a Distinguished Alumnus of Texas A&M University in 2004 and was honored during the Aggies' first year on the Southeastern Conference as an SEC legend at the 2012 SEC Championship game. Now, while John David was dedicated to his career, he was also very much dedicated to his wife, Carolyn, and to their family. He and Carolyn had 3 children, John Jr., Annalisa, and Jeannie. They were also blessed with 7 grandchildren. John David was forever thankful for everything that Carolyn did for their family. He was once quoted as saying, "Whatever credit I get for doing anything, she deserves a lot more than I do. She has been the stabilizer for our family and very, very good to me." Mr. Speaker, John David Crow was an humble, kind, generous, and an all-around great man. The greatness that he evoked reached far beyond the football field. He truly embodied the core values of Texas A&M University: respect, integrity, leadership, excellence, loyalty, and selfless service. He will be greatly missed and will long be remembered as a great athlete, coach, and athletic administrator. More importantly, he will be remembered as a loving husband, a father, a grandfather, and as a friend. My wife, Gina, and I offer our deepest heartfelt condolences to Carolyn and to the Crow family. We also lift up the family of John David in our thoughts and in our prayers. Also, as I close this conversation about John David Crow, I'd ask that all Americans continue to pray for our country, for our military men and women who protect us from external threats, and from our first responders who protect us from here at home. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.